Thanks for joining me today. Come with me as we tour a standard room at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. And thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney. Here we are at All-Star Music. All the rooms at this resort have been refurbished recently, and standard and preferred rooms are the same setup. As you can see, the majority of the rooms have 2 queen beds, but 1 queen bed is a pull-down bed, which actually gives you a much more spacious room. And the table with 2 chairs during the day is very useful. Each room has a coffee maker and ice bucket on a small dresser with some shelves above for storage. You'll find all the coffee supplies in the drawer below. Below that is a small fridge. The shelves inside are movable, so that should help fit what you need. In the dresser underneath the TV, there are 3 large drawers if you're someone who likes to unpack. And if you open the doors of the dresser, you'll find extra pillows plus a safe. Heading back to the bathroom, there's a large sink with decent counter space and shelves. There's also an iron, ironing board, hair dryer, and small closet for your convenience. There's a pocket door to separate the shower area, and of course it includes shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, plus a full tub. A couple other small details for this room is that there are actually 3 nightstands with a phone on the middle one and Hey Disney on the far one. And don't worry, there are directions for Hey Disney if you need them. And that's it. These rooms are very basic, but have everything you need. They're absolutely perfect if you plan on spending a lot of time at the parks. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to know when a new video comes out.